How to monitor usage limits on Lalal.ai. First of all, open your web browser and go to the official website by typing Lalal.ai in the address bar. Next, log into your account using your credentials. Once logged in, look at the top right corner where you will see the timer and usage limits. Here you can find how many minutes you have used, your remaining capacity, and other limits based on your subscription plan. You can also click on your profile to view detailed usage statistics and monitor your account limits easily. If you are close to reaching your limits, Lalal.ai will notify you so you can manage your usage accordingly. Keep track of your usage regularly to avoid interruptions during audio processing tasks. Monitoring usage is especially important if you use the free version, as limits are more restrictive. For more extensive usage, consider upgrading your plan to get higher limits and faster processing. And that's it. Now you know how to monitor usage limits on Lalal.ai. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.